there? Friends?
Stay sharp. This isn't just a cave, it's alive.
Stay close. Something's coming.
We need to stop this from getting worse. The crystal's too unstable.
I'll keep watch. Be ready for anything.
It's okay. We're not here to hurt you.
Watch its energy. We need to keep it calm.
Careful, it's scared. Don't let it hit the walls. Don't let it moving. Keep moving.
Careful! It's still scared!
Keep your balance. Don't let it hit the edges. See? It's okay, we're helping you.
Guide it slowly. Keep it steady.
There, you're doing great. Just breathe.
Keep it steady. We've got you.
You can trust us. You are safe. We are right here. Just let it flow. See? Together, we can make it right. Keep it flowing. Steady now. Almost there. Just a little more.
Keep it steady. We've got you.
We've got it. You're safe now. Everything's balancing out. Crystal secured. You are safe, Puffball.
All stable. Well done, team.
Back where it belongs, everything's in balance. Perfect. The cavern's safe now. It feels alive again. We did it. Everything's balanced. We're bringing the balance back. And nothing can stop us now. Let's bring everything back to life. Steady and sure. Follow the flow.
We'll fix the hardest parts together.
I'll guide you. Nothing falls today.
I can do this. Easy. We will fix it together.
Focus, Puffball. Do not let it pull you.
It feels warm.
Bow! Hold!
It's inside him.
Too much. Easy. Breathe with me. Clear the square. Give it space.
Why is it quiet?
You're not alone. I've got you covered, Bow.
I don't know how to stop.
Stay with us. We're helping. Nice and easy. It's okay. Let it go.
We're right here.
It's working!
It doesn't hurt as much.
Bow, pace yourself. Pace yourself.
I can try to hold it with you.
Together, then. That's it, Nate. Don't let it drag you in. That thing, it wasn't mine. Then we pull it out, Tad, together.
Match the rhythm, Bow Nay. Don't fight the pull. I can soften the shocks.
Stay close.
Okay, Tad, we move with it. I've got you.
Stay close. Breathe with us.
Stay together.
It feels lighter.
Thank you!
You're safe now.
We did it! Together! The world feels bright again.
And we're ready for whatever comes next.